Joey Bates is just there in, running that Jeep Cherokee in a red truck, and Chris Drury driving the pink Subaru Brad. The top 6 times will be coming back for round number 2. It's a Jeep Cherokee against a Subaru. Right over here, it's taking like that. It's here in Tough Trucks. Wow! Look at it. Now they're doing the big race. And the Subaru of Chris Drury is the winner.
It's got a better turning rate.
Congratulations there, Chris.
That's
very
great.
nice. We're going to record his time. Now, if he ranks in the top 6, he will be coming back for round 2. Here comes Bill Woods in the Jeep Cherokee. Oh, there's 2 Jeep Cherokee. He's in the white Jeep Cherokee. Leon Oster is in the orange Chaotic Racing Jeep. These guys are 2 tough competitors. They've run against each other for years. They are both very, very fast drivers. Let's find out which one of them will have a chance of moving on to round 2. Jeep against Jeep. Oh, it's dead even at the halfway point. This is where you can make up or lose a lot of time. As they let their way through the battle. Leon Ostetter and the Chaotic Racing Orange Jeep will improve his chances to continue to round 2. Nice job, Leon. Ronnie Voss in the purple Honda Civic.
Oh, yeah, it's a Honda Civic.
He's taking on Tim Scott in the Jeep Cherokee.
4-wheel drive.
A Honda Civic against a Jeep Cherokee? Oh, yeah. How many think the purple Honda's going to beat the Jeep? How many think the Jeep's going to beat the Honda? Let's find out. Oh, the Jeep has the lead. Can the Honda make its way through the barrels and make up time? That's where it should have an advantage. The Honda! The Civic wins! By about 7,000ths of a second. It was close. Very, very close. Congratulations. And Rodney Foss may be back if this time allows. Skip Stoltzfus is entering in with the Subaru Impreza. He's going to be taking on Charlie Wagner on the black CJ7. Subaru against Jeep. How many think it's going to be this blue Subaru?
Not this time.
How many think it's going to be this beautiful Jeep out there? Stoltzfus is the winner. Nice job. All right, here comes Dylan Durner in the Ford Ranger. Oh, that's a beauty.
Change. Just
and they're both just out of warranty, unfortunately, too. because a radiator puked on the Ford Ranger.
Yeah, he blew the hole.
Jeep, we're going to try to get out of here. Got a minor fire over there. You never know what you're going to see in tough trucks. Yeah, lost the, looks like the lower radiator hose there on the Ford.
The radiator hose. There's the hose.
We are breaking a lot of stuff here so far. We roll a monster truck already. Little radiator, started a fire in a Jeep. Or we're not even halfway through the show. And we're having fun. Are you fans still here and having a good time?
It's gonna run it.
Where's the racing flags at? Let me see the flags. Looking good. All right, Dylan Denver is in the Ford Ranger. Chuck Bachman is in that black Jeep Cherokee. They're going to go side by side for the start, and we'll find out who's going to have a chance to continue on to round 2. Is the winner there for round 1. Coming up next, our first lady driver of the afternoon. Yeah! Steph Exarlis. She's driving that Volkswagen. That'll be the first one to come in. She'll be competing against Mike Masters in a Jeep Cherokee.
Seems dumb, I know.
Yeah, take off the brake. There you go. All right, ladies, how many think a lady driver can get out here to compete with all these boys? Oh, she's a hard driver.
No, I took off Volkswagen.
I would be nervous if I was Mike Masters competing against her. The chance of getting beat by a girl. All right, ladies, you got to cheer on your lady there, Steph. She's in the Volkswagen. Looking for the lights. Let's find out who's going to be the winner. Can the lady driver do it? Down there trying to thread through the barrel. He knew he had to push. Nate Wenzel. Gonna be driving the green Volkswagen. He's taking on Brad Hero in that brown Jeep Cherokee. Nate versus Brad. Volkswagen versus Jeep. congratulations to Brad Hero. He puts himself in the running for round 2. Come on, guys, you can pick up and just move that thing. All right, we'll get it out of here. And Rob Langley in the Jeep Cherokee. He's going to be taking on CJ7 of John Peters. All right, Rob Langley in the Jeep Cherokee V8. He's going to be taking on John Peters. Now, I've seen John run before, and it is not uncommon for him to roll over this Jeep. He drives hard. And if he doesn't roll over, you'll probably see him on 2 wheels for part of the event. He has no fear. A lot of these guys don't. But this Jeep, it moves, and it's kind of a high center of gravity. Look out. If you see the roll cage right now, you kind of see it kind of bend over a little bit.
They just recall.
2 tough drivers. Rob Langley in the Jeep Cherokee, John Peters in the CJ7. Who's it going to be? Old Jeep versus new Jeep.
Holy cow.
The Jeep Cherokee wins, but Best of Show award goes to John Peters in the CJ7.
That was tight.
Wow. I warned you, didn't I?
Looks like he's...
All right, so one lady driver who came out here and beat a guy. Megan Stock is our second lady driver. She's entering in right now in the Jeep Cherokee. She's going to be taking on Brett Spoonenberg in another Jeep Cherokee, driving the last buck Jeep. So once again, your lady driver is in the gray and black Jeep. Lady drivers, can you make it 2 for 2? What do you think, ladies? All right, here we go. Come on, ladies, cheer her on. She needs to make up some time. Oh, we're not going to make it 2 for 2, but let's give her a round of applause anyways, Megan Stock. Congratulations to Brett Spoonenberg. He puts himself in the second round contention. All right, 2 Jeep Cherokees. Looks like Chad Worley is the first one in a Jeep Cherokee. He's going to be competing against Joe Bates, who is scheduled.